Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, United Health Group is currently hiring, guys. I'm doing a quick video on a customer service representative. It's a national remote job. So you could just come over here and take a look, guys. This is for a customer service role. It's you'll enjoy the flexibility to telecommute from anywhere within the U.S. as you take on some tough challenges at United Healthcare. We're simplifying the healthcare experience, creating healthier communities, and removing barriers to quality care. The customer service representative is responsible for performing a variety of duties to bill and collect COBRA premiums for multiple lines of coverage. You will work directly with customers and their coverage vendors to set up benefit plans directly into their system, which is the United Healthcare system. The customer service representative is responsible for performing a variety of duties, and the position for this position is full-time, 40 hours a week, Monday through Friday. Employees are required to have flexibility to work any of the 8-hour shift schedules during a normal business hour, like 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, or late shift rotation requirements, which is 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. During the business week as assigned, it may be necessary given the business need to work occasional overtime. All telecommunicators will be required to adhere to United Health Group's telecommuter policy. The responsibilities analyze COBRA action forms and election notices received to verify the form was received and processed within the legal time guidelines, and ensure that the event of COBRA, qualifying event, and coverage information is correct. And all of these are the responsibilities here, guys, so you'll be able to come through and read it and see if your skills and your talents match. You'll be rewarded and recognized for your performances in an environment that will challenge you and give you a clear direction on what it takes to succeed in your role, as well as provide development for other roles you may be interested in. The qualifications required is high school diploma, GED, minimum of 1 year combined education or work or volunteer experience, must be 18 years of older, ability to work 8-hour shifts during a normal business work week from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or a late shift rotation requirement of 10:30 a.m. to 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. Customer service experience, sales or account management experience, healthcare insurance environment familiarity with medical tech terminology, health plan documents, benefit plan design, social work behavior, disease prevention, health promotion, or behavioral change, working with vulnerable populations, telecommunicating requirements, ability to keep all company sensitive documents secure, required to have a dedicated work area established that is separate from other living areas, provides information policies. Now, guys, this pay is a minimum pay of $16 to $27.31. Pay is based on several factors, including but not limited to education, work experience, certification, etc. In addition to your salary, United Health Group offers benefits such as comprehensive benefit package, incentive, and recognition programs, equity stocks, purchase, and 401k contributions. All benefits are subject to eligibility requirements. No matter where or when you begin a career with United Health Group, you'll find a far-reaching choice of benefits and incentives. And you can just come through and take a look, guys. If you're an internal employee, you'll click this box. If you're an external candidate, you'll click this box. So super congrats to anyone who gets this role. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day, guys. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. And if you know anyone that's currently looking for a job lead, please share this job lead with them, share this video with them, or share any of the previous job roles that I've shared with you guys in the previous video. So thank you so much for all you do. You are the best. You are amazing. Love you lots, friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.